Alright guys, we're back with another video of the Durango versus the snow. So there's actually not that much snow on the ground, but still make a quick video, you know, why not? Just Durango driving, seeing how it handles, but we all know it handles good. Definitely could be faster. I would like the same power as a Hellcat, but it's okay. We got the Durango RT. Still not bad power, but you know, definitely when you get out just tire pressure. But let's see, what was the top speed in this bad boy? 118. That's like what it's governed to. You can't get it less than that, or I mean more than that. And 0 to 60, the best I've gotten, 6.1. They claim, some sources online claim 5.6. I have yet to figure out how to get 5.6 at 2,000 RPMs, 3,000, 1,000. You know, you're not getting below 6. Maybe if you're like downhill, maybe if you're, you know, at sea level where they test the cars at, then there is a high chance that you will get 5.6, 5.7. But yeah, gotta put some mods on this and see if it helps out. Maybe a throttle body, get some more air in there, tune it up, put a cold air intake, and get more exhaust going out, just to get all that air out of there. And yeah, I don't think we're gonna supercharge it because the transmission, as I've said all the time, terrible in these cars, terrible. It's gonna give out, you know, so hoping to sell the car before the warranty of the powertrain goes out, because it's terrible. It always jerks. It's like it's breaking down every 2 seconds. Brand new car too, you know, and it's insane how it's just not up to par. Maybe I gotta take it, you know, maybe they'll warranty the transmission, but I doubt they will without a check engine light. The mechanics, they're always like, oh, we did a check engine light. Can't put in warranty work without proof of it not working. I'm like, well, it ain't working, so fix it. But we'll see. So we got good old policeman caught someone doing more than the speed limit, something we would never do. Wonder what kind of car he got. Let's check it out. Oh, there's 2 cops. They caught a Prius. Come on. If you're gonna speed, at least make it worth it. But I get it. You kind of get distracted, you know, with the Prius, that battery powered pack going down, you know, toy RC car, flying down the highway 200 miles per hour with the Toyota Prius. Hey, it happens, you know. Get it fully charged up, whew, be smoking fools on the highway. It's like if I ever got smoked by a Toyota Prius, I would sell whatever car I'm driving. Honestly, the hybrids are probably faster than gas powered cars, you know. This Durango, 6,000 pounds. Finally, after years of waiting,